Let's drive away the summer heat with some mint watermelon tea and peachy watermelon juice. Slice the watermelon into two, cut it into bits. Juice it with the seeds and skin to maintain nutrients. Boil water for the tea. Put the green tea bag into an infusion jar. Add mint leaves. Yes, I know my leaves look old. Add ice into a glass jar. Pour in the tea. Sieve the watermelon juice into the jar. Serve and enjoy. Remember, you can add some sugar or honey for taste. And now for the peachy watermelon juice. Chop the peaches up and put it into a juicer. Juice the rest of the watermelon. Slice up your lemon. Put ice into a glass. Add mint leaves. Add lemon slices. Pour in the juice and enjoy. Add the rough.